Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Porsche 911 versus BYD Seal. We'll dive into their core philosophies, performance metrics, and what makes each vehicle unique in the automotive landscape. This comparison will highlight their distinct approaches to driving and ownership, helping you understand where each car truly shines. Let's explore these two fascinating vehicles. When it comes to performance, the Porsche 911, with its iconic flat-six engine, delivers a visceral, engaging experience, often achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds for many models. The BYD Seal, on the other hand, leverages electric power for immediate torque, with its performance variant reaching 60 miles per hour in as little as 3.8 seconds. The 911 emphasizes precision and driver feedback, while the Seal offers smooth, quiet, and rapid acceleration. The Porsche 911 boasts a timeless design, evolving its classic silhouette over 60 years while maintaining its distinctive look. Its interior is driver-focused, offering a 2+2 seating configuration, though the rear seats are quite small. The BYD Seal showcases a modern, ocean aesthetic design with a sleek profile and a more spacious cabin designed for 5 occupants. The Seal also features a larger boot space, making it more practical for daily errands and family use. The Porsche 911 is a premium sports car, often seen as a significant investment and a symbol of automotive passion, with prices starting well over $100,000. It caters to enthusiasts seeking a high-performance driving machine with a rich heritage. The BYD Seal, however, targets a broader audience, offering advanced electric vehicle technology and strong performance at a more accessible price point, making it a compelling option in the growing EV market. And speaking of smart choices, make sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.